Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela. And as you can see, I got a new deck in the mail today. I got two actually. This is the first of two. I knew the Sola Busca tarot has been out and I've been looking at it, and then I didn't realize the mini was out. So this is the mini, and I'm like, oh, I'll try the mini. I like that vinyl feel. It's a low scare barrel tarot deck. And yeah, I just took the outer wrapper off. Haven't opened it yet. But it's a cute little box. I like their minis versus Llewellyn's minis. They're just a tad bit bigger. Look, this one even came with a book. I think my last mini of theirs did too. And it's wrapped in plastic. So I just thought I'd unbox it and show y'all. I'm sure y'all have seen this deck. I'm just late to the party. It's been on my radar for a while, but I was like, should I, shouldn't I? Because from my understanding, it's a Marseille type, and I have like 4 Marseille decks, and I'm like, that's all I need, because a Marseille is a Marseille is a Marseille, right? To me, it is just like a, what's that other deck? Anyway, I just got off work, like 5 minutes ago, and this was here, so my brain is a little discombobulated. And let's take a look at this. So here's the other box, other half. There's an advertisement card. Actually, there's an advertisement card. And then we have, which is the Strength from the Fairy Picture Tarot, which I have. This is an advertisement of this deck. And then we have the backs. I think they're really cool. Really cool. And I'm not hating the border either, that it's got a border. So let's dig into this, shall we? Just a little bit. Since it's a mini, I'm going to go it all in here. So here we have the full, right? It doesn't say anywhere on there, but I'm guessing that's the full. No, maybe it's not. Let me look. I don't know what these are. None of them are marked. Yeah, that's the full. So we're doing full. This is why I got this deck, because I want to study this more. Yeah, so here's the 1. So that's what I was seeing here is the 0 for the full. Full. A little flute. The Magician. Interesting. I want something that takes me away from RWS, and this looks like it's gonna do it. The High Priestess. Looks like a male also. Interesting. What does that say? I don't know. We'll see. The Empress. The Emperor. And I know these words here are in French or whatever. I think it's in French. I'm not sure. But I don't know that. So I'm just going by what I know how it is in RWS. So, well, we have okay, so that first one was the Juggler, Magician, the Papess, the Empress. 4 is Emperor right here. And this would be the Pope. Lovers. I don't think so. Yeah. The Lovers. And then the Chariot. Justice. Interesting. He's holding him over the fire. Interesting. What was it? Justice. Hermit. I don't think this is French, because I would have recognized. Wheel of Fortune. Strength. Hangman. Death. Oh, look at the bottom here. Interesting. Temperance. Devil. The Tower. The Star, right? I'm gonna no. XV. It don't even. Yeah, XVI, the Star. XVI. So that says Star, but this one, I don't know. Lost count there. I don't know. They don't tell you anything. XV. It looks like XVII right there, but it doesn't give you anything. That's interesting. This says XVII, which is okay. So that is the moon, and then the sun. Judgments. They're just so different that I'm just having a hard time remembering what they are. And the world. Interesting. And then we have the Ace of Cups. Look how beautiful that is. Interesting. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six. That's five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They both have 5. That's interesting. I don't see a 6th one on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are 2 5s. They both have 5. And this one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was 7. With only 6. Oh, is that one? I don't know. Maybe she's standing on one. And this is 8. 9. 10. And the page. Knight. Queen. And the king. That one actually is very RWS to me. And the king. Okay, now we have the one of the same pentacles. These are very different, but they're beautiful. 2 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. And I should have said there's nudity. 5 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8. 9. And the 10. Then we have the page. Knight. Queen. And the king. So is this, I mean, does feel like Marseille, but it doesn't, it feels like somewhere in between our Marseille and an RWS, if that makes sense. I don't know anything about this deck. All I know is that I was digging the artwork and I wanted it because it's different. And anything that goes far and beyond any system, I'm going to sit up and take notice. So, yeah, here we are. So this, I'm guessing, is the Wands. Ace of Wands. Yeah. 2 of Wands or batons. 3 of Wands. Although that feels like very much a 3 of Swords. 4 of Wands. Five of Wands. Let me check. Yeah, those are swords. So this is one. This is Wands. 7. Was that the 7 or 6? I don't remember. 4. That was the 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And the 10 of Wands. Then we have the Page, Knight, Queen, and the King. Last suit, the swords, we have the Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10. And then the Page, Knight, Queen, and the King. And this feels very otherworldly too, which I also dig. So that is the whole deck. Let me shuffle. I like their decks because they shuffle really nice. Look at that. I can ripple shuffle it, no matter how tiny it is. Okay, so let's pull a card and see if I can wrangle it in the book. See what this deck has to say to me. Oh, we got the... Was that the Ace? Ace of Cups? I'm pretty sure. The Ace of Cups. And it's funny because I have been feeling a lot of... emotionally, I have been feeling a lot of water in my vicinity, in my peripheral. I don't know what the word is, but those seem almost the right word. A lot of watery and fiery elements coming together for me right now, and I don't know why. Because I usually resonate with the Pentacles, being an earth sign, and because I'm a Virgo, I'm very much logical, so I also resonate a lot with the air sign as well, with the sword. So it just is weird that the two suits I really don't have any association with in tarot is suddenly front and center, the cups and the wand. So I find that very interesting. So let's see what it says. I moved the book. And there it's super, super tiny print. Court cards, suits, clubs, cups, or chalices, coins, or swords. Let's see what number 1 is. Is it just going to tell me it's a beginning? Yep, because that's another language. So it's literally only like 3 pages here. And it just tells you the numbers. 1, which is the ace, is beginning or source. So I find that fascinating as well, that it could mean source. So that's interesting, because maybe the source of my fire energy and like reacting is to the water. Interesting. But that is my latest deck. I'm iffy with this deck because I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything, and it's different, and it's going to take me a little bit to acclimate to it. But unlike some decks I've got in, and as I did a flip through, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I can ever work with this, and I rarely touch those decks. This one I feel like is a deck. Look at that, 3 swords on top or on the bottom. Is a deck that I am anticipating working with, and yeah, there's a few gruesome cards in there, so maybe me being having it in a mini won't be as bad. The last time I bought a mini that was rough was a tarot deck that I rarely use. I consider it my double deck. But this one kind of hits in that same space too, just a little bit lighter. So that's quite interesting as well. So we'll see where we'll go with that. But that's my latest tarot, one of the latest tarot decks I've got. It's the Sola Busca Tarot Mini. If you guys have any, if you've worked with this deck, let me know what you think of it, or not. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you're alerted to any future videos. And y'all have a good night. Bye.